How to rank higher on Google Maps with your Google Business Profile. Hey there, business owners! If you've already claimed your Google Business Profile, great start. But if you want to rank higher on Google Maps and get more local customers, this video is for you. I'll walk you through 5 easy but powerful ways to boost your local ranking. Let's dive in. First, make sure your profile is 100% complete. That means your business name, address, phone number, website, and hours must be accurate and consistent. Choose the right categories. They help Google understand what you do. Add your service areas and attributes like free Wi-Fi or wheelchair accessible. Google favors active businesses, so upload photos weekly, inside shots, your team in action, or new products. You can also post updates about promotions, events, or news. Treat it like your mini social media feed. Reviews are gold. Ask your happy customers to leave one and make it easy for them by sending your direct review link. Then respond to every review, good or bad. Google rewards businesses that engage with customers. Your business description should include keywords people are searching for, like family dentist in Zamboanga or affordable gym near Makati. Don't stuff it. Make it natural but strategic. Tools like Ubersuggest or Google Keyword Planner can help you find these terms. Go to your Google Business Profile Insights tab. See how people find your business. Are they searching by name or what you offer? Monitor calls, direction requests, and clicks to your website. This tells you what's working and where to improve. Here's a bonus. Add Q&A to your profile. Ask and answer your own most common questions. Also, list your services and products with descriptions and prices. The more info Google has, the better it can rank you. And that's how you rank higher on Google Maps. These steps take just a bit of effort, but deliver long-term results. If you want a free audit of your Google Business Profile, click the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more local marketing tips.